This is not a story, this is a location that officially does not exist. No signboards, no tourists, no explanations, just silence enforced by the most powerful government on earth. In the middle of the Nevada desert, there is a place erased from maps for decades. Its area space is forbidden, its ground is guarded, its name was denied until it wasn't. They call it Area 51. And the question is not what happens there. The question is why are we not allowed to know? The US government claims Area 51 is testing around experimental aircraft, classified technology, but here's the problem. Teaching does not require this level of secrecy. Teaching does not require silence of half over a country or century. Even satellites are restricted, even officials' records are incomplete. When asked directly, authorities respond with one word. It's called classified. In 1947, something crashed near Roswell in New Mexico. Official explanation was a weather balloon. Then changed again. Witness described materials that didn't behave like metal, debris that bent, then returned to shape, technology that did not match the time period. Shortly after, Area 51 security expanded, its funded increases, and its secrecy becomes absolute. Here's what's documented, not rumored. People who work near Area 51 signed lifetime silence agreements. Violations carried persons and sentences. Some carried and they claimed were treated. Others disappeared from public records entirely. Governments don't hide weather balloons like this. Governments hides power. Psychology truth. You want to ask yourself this: if there is nothing extraordinary at Area 51, why does the secrecy never end? Why does it grow? Because the world has changed, technology is public, satellites are everywhere. Yet, Area 51 remains sealed, not because it's old, but because something there still matters. Maybe it's not aliens, maybe it's not weapons, maybe it's knowledge that would change how people see power, history, and control. But some tools don't cause panic, they cause loss of authority. Area 51 is not the mystery, Area 51 is why it still needs to exist. This is the video not for the rebel, it's for the preparation. The truth behind Area 51 will be revealed. Stay tuned.